everyone, I'm your host today. My name is Sandra. Today we will introduce our new designed table CNC cutting machine. The model name is Sunstreaker Pro. Let's see the main component of this machine first. This is the CNC controller, like the brain of the CNC cutting machine. And this is the crossbeam x-axis. And this is guide rail y-axis. This is torch head control. The torch can up and down automatically if the steel plate is not even. It also has anti-crash function. And this is plasma power source. Okay, we can see this machine is very smart design and good looking. Its effective cutting size is 1.3 meters by 1.3 meters. Of course, we can make it bigger if you need. This is the work table. The work table is ready and it can hold water. The water can let out from here. The water will reduce the dust and smoke during the plasma cutting. This machine enjoys very high speed and high accuracy. It adopts Panasonic servo system and reducers. The running speed can up to 15 meters per minute. It uses slanted tooth rack on both x-axis and y-axis inside. Okay, let's see the machine cutting. Show time.